Hey, Peanut. I know that you might be horribly stabbed at the man with very large claws, but you'll be okay because I'm gonna make you your favorite dish.
Chimichanga.
So let's make beef and cheese chimichanga. To start, let's chop up our ingredients. Chop up those delicious and nutritious onions, some green chilies, and jalapeno peppers. But just make sure that you're not like me and you accidentally rub your eyes right after using extremely spicy peppers. You'll regret it. Chop up that garlic and smash them directly into the pan. And use not one, but 2 whole cans of beans. Boil these beans with a little bit of salt, pepper, and chili powder for 5 to 10 minutes. And then smash them. Smash those beans directly into a small and fine paste. Fry up your onion and add the delicious ground beef along with a little bit more chili and cumin and also oregano. And add 1/2 a can of tomato sauce. You don't want your sauce or your filling mixture to be too wet, otherwise you'll get a very soggy chimichanga. Fry up the peppers that you cut up earlier and combine together. You now have a wonderful filling. The 2 big tortillas, add in your refried beans, your filling, and lots of cheese. And wrap up your little present. Simply air fry it and just spray each side for about 6 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit to get a nice, crispy, but not quite as oily chimichanga. I usually prefer to have my chimichangas with a little bit more tomato sauce as well as some sour cream and a little bit of parsley. But traditionally, you would make your own chimichanga sauce along with some cilantro. For me, I like the crunch more than anything. And voila! Zuzu's own chimichangas. Mr. Pool,